Some folks never bother to ask how big the room is before casting Fireball, including our next champion. This Tiefling Sorcerer is the quintessential firecracker, able to light up a room with her bright smile and her flaming hot spells. Nixie is sparkly, cute, and uncontrollably deadly. With her blazing charisma, Nixie gleefully increases the damage of other charismatic champions. But every spell she casts is a chance to cause a random wild magic surge. Some surges cause a bonus effect on the battlefield, like engulfing enemies in flames, creating a coin cascade, summoning a random monster, causing a stunning shockwave, or enlarging both her size and her damage. But sometimes she'll turn into a potted plant, or her skin will turn blue. That's the risk that comes with being a wild magic sorcerer. Despite the unpredictability of her magic, Nixie is always ready to launch a flaming attack on her enemies. Normally it's a smaller fireball, but occasionally it's time for a fireball. This ultimate gigantic fireball engulfs all enemies on the field, burning them to a crisp. Those flaming spheres can cause even more damage, depending on what specialization Nixie chooses. Each one boosts the damage of blazing charisma based on who else is in the formation. Infernal Impact focuses on the number of tieflings, Anarchy Amplified works with chaotic champions, and Flawed Force counts the number of champions with a total ability score of 78 or less. Nixie's natural talents bring a chaotic element to the party, and she'll charm you over with her bright smile and even brighter explosions when she joins idle champions during the running.